Welcome to another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR. This video we are going to be looking at a Christmas wagon. It's coming up to Christmas and so it's a good time to have a look at a Christmas wagon. Last Christmas wagon I was going to buy from Hornby.com, around £18, but when I went to go purchase it, it was totally sold out. I checked on other retailers I know of, like Hatton's and Peter Spares, and they didn't have this in stock. So I had to look at eBay and I found out those people bought the Hornby Christmas wagon 2021 and they were selling them around £100 or £200, £300, £400, £500 for one wagon. It's stupid amount. So hopefully end of this month I can get one less than £50, so I can review last year's wagon for you. So to add to my Christmas train set of fleets or wagons. So back to the topic, why can you see the wagon straight away through this box of packaging? I'm just going to bring in the original box. This is, if it goes into focus, from 2018. This kind of packaging. You thinking to yourself is, this is basically packaging. It's got like tissue. It's got tissue paper in it, and it's got just a plastic tray and a cardboard to cover the window, and you can't see the wagon. So I bring back this year's wagon, and we'll have a look at it in a minute. But you can see it's in the railways range, and how you could tell this, if you say purchase a vent van, it will come in this kind of packaging because of the lion on top, and the lion right here. So you think to yourself, is why is Hornby upgraded their packaging so you can see it more? Is it too easy to open and easy to access? Who knows? So that's the question I've been asking myself. So, end of the day, if the camera goes back into focus, thank you. You can see that's what it says. Not much on the back. The wrong side. If you want to collect this wagon, it's Hornby R60074 7 plank wagon Christmas 2022. So let's get it open. This came through the post just today, so let's get it out. if I can get it the right way around. Well, that seems simple. It's like the same as like the vent van or some other wagons you get. I will put a description of it on the RLP price from Hornby.com in the description. What can I say? It says Merry Christmas 2022 Hornby. It's the same kind of detail as before. Metal wheels, really lovely. No sprung buffers. But the presents have been more betterly detailed this time. It's got a varnish on, so it looks really shiny. That's why you can actually see the shine from my lights. The teddy bear is actually more decorated this time, more better. And the other presents as well. So I'm really, really happy about it. The trumpet is really good at the back, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is put this onto my track, what I had some help with where I'm staying. It's on the floor, and have a great fun running this. So hopefully when I move out this accommodation, you will see this running, and you will see another video of last year's wagon as well. So all I can say is thank you to watch this video, and big thank you to everyone who's subscribing, who's subscribed already. Big thank you to them, and keeping this channel alive. 95,010 reviews. That's really good. I'm really, really chuffed and pleased about it. I don't know when there's going to be other videos going to come. So I'm just saying is, please give me time, and I am best I can to try and get these videos made. But at the moment I don't know what's going to happen, but hopefully next year when the Alexander Palace exhibition of model railway trains comes, I will get some more pictures of those, maybe some videos of the layouts, and during the time when I'm going to go there, please leave me comments below on what kind of questions should I ask Simon Kohler from Hornby, and I can best I can to answer them to him, so from you guys. So what I'm going to just say is, if the comments are really, really difficult, I would like you to contact Hornby.com straight away, Hornby Direct, and speak to their customer team really kindly and helpful, and they will pass all questions on to the managers, including to Simon Kohler, and hopefully everyone has a good and very happy Christmas, and hopefully everyone enjoys themselves. Thank you. Right, guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.